Está fría el agua, Isa.
No sé.
Sí.
¿Y si te tiro? ¿Eh?
No me tires que estoy maquillada.
Pues cómprate el maquillaje la Lola Lolita.
No.
¿A que te tiro?
No.
Que te tiro.
So I'm putting some itchy powder on my girlfriend's underwear before we go to the store. Let's see if this works. Guys, why is she walking like that?
Mommy, you're so cute. Pose for me.
Pose? Where? Right here?
Yeah.
What do I do? I don't know.
Just pose.
Wait. Oh, hell yeah. You're gonna give me that brain? 3,000?
What?
Oh.
What? I just picked this up. What are you talking about? Go back to playing your game.
Rejected.
Isa?
¿Qué?
Oh, fuck.
Oh no. No. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Want some mustard?
I saw you TikTok.
Want some mustard, man?
No, what I want, don't play with me, man. All right.
Hey, man, you want some mustard?
Nah.
Want some mustard?
No.
I want some mustard.
No. No one there. We don't want
Oh, bro, you got me one time with that.
Ah, shit. Mustard.
Boy, kiss the fuck out.
Oh, hell nah. What the fuck?
Are you videoing it?
Yep.
No!
Are you ready? I hope your watch is watching.
It's not so long ago that the sound hit the nation.
Mujeres sufran.
Por, les trae botanitas. Pero espera.
Yo, I just netted him. This is the one. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what is that for? See, I'm not a crab. Revenge is sweet.
I got tired of my man stealing all the covers. OMG, how is he not waking up?
Baby.
These roaches are massive.
Baby. No.
He is going to flip.
Babe. What? Look down. Surprise! We hit 3 million followers.
Are you a fucking idiot?
What do you mean?
We have 3.1 million. There should be a fucking
Oh
point
my
one.
gosh. Are you happy now?
Hey, my love. Yeah. You've got to check these pillows out. I know that you're gonna
like this one
No,
I'm thinking about that one.
You're gonna love these pillows. They're like soft and like. Yeah, what do you think?
That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
it is nice.
You know something
Oh,
to
I
cuddle
like that. The long. Then you can like wrap yourself and all these pillows, you know?
Yeah.
It's like really great. You just lay
Yeah,
on it.
slay in there.
You just lay. You just like cuddle in.
Yeah,
you
cuddle
know?
in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh hey, are you waiting for that ball to hit me? It's not gonna hit me. Seriously, it's not gonna hit me. Alright, well, if you just want to sit around here all day and wait for it to hit me, go ahead, but I got things to do. This is getting kinda weird, not gonna lie. I mean, how would you like it if I just sat around and watched you do things without saying anything? Alright, this has gone on for long enough. I get it. At first we were like, maybe the ball is gonna hit him. But you know what? Quite frankly, ah! Gotcha. I told you the ball wasn't gonna hit me.